you can see how hazy it is outside. All right, we're out here at night. Steve's trying to get the bulldozer going right now. But him and I, without the kiddos, are staying the night out here so we can go hunting. We're calling it hiking, but we're going hiking and hunting at the same time. Where we're going hunting is close to the property, so we just thought it was best that we stay the night out here so we'll wake up super early in the morning and we'll just be closer. So that's why we decided to stay the night out here rather than staying at home and waking up way earlier, since we're an hour away. It just will be easier for us. But yeah, we're having a good time. We had a little date night. We had some dinner at a sushi place, a local sushi place that we love, and we dressed nice for that. And then we have to throw on some property clothes because it's really dirty out here. But I'm excited. We'll see what it's like without the kiddos and Grandpa. So far, it's really quiet. So quiet without the kids. I don't even know what it's like sometimes without the kiddos at like night. I just forget how quiet it is. At least what it can be without them. But we'll see them in the afternoon tomorrow when Grandpa and Mimi bring them up. And yeah, we'll get some more work done. But for now, Steve and I are gonna have a good little camp out. I'm giggling because Steven has a flashlight in his mouth. We forgot headlamps, so we gotta make do with what we got.
Alright, we gotta pause this video real quick to make an announcement. I'm not covering Grandpa's face anymore. We talked about it. He realized he's getting a lot more attention than he would like. So we're leaving his face in. So here's Grandpa's face. Not just kidding, here's Grandpa's face. Alright, thanks. And now we can continue with our video.
Clean up the duties. Oh my, I thought that was your machete. Good job. Wow, Grandpa's in the thick of it.
It's day 2 of hunting, and yesterday it rained the entire time that me and Ashley were out here, and we didn't see anything yesterday. And today it's 10 a.m. and I've seen 6 deer, 1 buck that I was stalking, and then I lost it. This is the second day I've been out ever hunting by myself, and I'm trying to I'm hanging out in the bushes. Oh, I'm hanging out in some thick stuff near a water source. Just trying to be quiet and lay low for about 30 minutes. Let everything relax since I've been walking around on the roads. This Weyerhaeuser land is unbelievable. Unbelievable. So, yeah, keep at it and hopefully I get something. Sleeping last night was, it was a little spooky. Sleeping out at the property for the first time by myself. But I slept pretty good. I woke up a couple of times to check. And everything seemed fine. The night before, me and Ashley were hearing scratching noises on the Connex, and we realized that it was the trees that are touching the Connex and the wind. But yeah, like I said, we just had a really good hike yesterday, but it rained most of the time. My boots were still wet, so I'm wearing like my nice boots. But today's been perfect weather. Seen a bunch of stuff. Been hearing elk, which is a good sign for next week. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I can be successful. Provide, you know, do some man. I know. You'll have to edit that out. But yeah, I'm having a blast. I'm glad September's finally here, and I'm glad I'm finally a part of it. So keep at it. See if I can be successful, and keep checking in.
So the next day, Steven and I decided to go hunting again in a different location. It unfortunately got really hot quick and there was lots of people driving by, so no luck there. We got back to the property and Josh and Steven decided to finally work on the bulldozer. We finally got permission to do so, so we did that. They ended up draining some fluids and they wanted to see if that was the issue. So Steven hopped on there once everything was done and he felt like it was working a lot better. So he ended up trying to take out some of the stumps. And after that, we realized that it was not strong enough to take out the stumps and it seemed like something else was going on. Eventually, they ended up adjusting the clutch and it ended up working a lot better.
Yeah, you can see how hazy it is outside. We have keys to a private property for Stephen to go hunting this year, and it was shut down because of the fires, but we had to come up to the property to get something, so we could just see how hazy it is right now.
Oh, now it's...
Whoa, I can see it.
Keep driving.
Who was it? That's it. That's it.
So we ended up finding out that air quality was a lot better for us up at the property than at our home. So we ended up heading back up to the property.
Good job. Take out that stump. Yeah, let's get it out of here.
Right.
Oh, try not to hit at the same spot. Different spots.
Yeah, dude, Logan, you need to be real careful with that.
it's raining.
Let's go get it. This is kind of fun. We need to get far. Look at this place.
Isn't it great?
Yeah, but it's kind of rainy too.
Good. We needed the rain.
Yeah.
So we can get rid of. Do you remember the name we've been calling it?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Rain.
No, I'm like,
Rain, go away.
No, keep coming. It gets rid of the fires. It helps us put out the fires.
Oh. Hello guys. We're actually walking. How they did that. We actually are. We're looking at something. We're looking at. So we're looking at what we did today. What we did. We're actually walking and we're knowing something, but we're actually taking a picture of the trees.
And they're gonna squeeze.
I got you.
Ready? Give him a squeeze. And they're gonna squeeze.
Not mine. Look, Mom.
Again?
He's on my lap.
You need to anaconda squeeze. Anaconda squeeze.
Logan, you gotta go.
Anaconda.
I want to wee.
Say it.
I want to wee.
Okay, look, you went down. Hey, Grandpa,
What?
give me a squeeze.
Yeah, how about a snap?
No.
Oh, snapped it.
Step it up.
All right, I wanted to show off what we have done today. Steven widened the driveway on this side a little bit more. And then Josh and I cleared out over here. We did not bring the trailer today, so we'll do these pickup loads a little bit later with the trailer. And I wanted to show it off over here. It's nice that you can see through the trees now. This will be like our front yard. The boys did awesome. They adjusted the clutch for the bulldozer and it works a lot better. We drained the fluids and adjusted the clutch like I just said. Works way better. We still need to tweak a few things on it. I wasn't there for that conversation, but all I know is they have to tweak it. But works better. We're very happy about that. But yeah, and then Steven cleaned out over here. So you can see in between the trees, and we will bring up the trailer next time we're coming up here to clean up the brush that we were leaving behind. But it's nice. I'm really glad we're cleaning up the forest floor. The trees are gonna be so much happier that we cleaned all of this out. And then with the excavator, we've been talking about excavators all day. With the bulldozer, we covered up, this used to be a giant 6-foot deep hole where I'm standing. Covered that up and uncovered another stump. I think we're at stump number 14. But that's kind of stinks. We found a whole bunch of logs. We found 2 over here. It's kind of hard to tell. We moved the one that was by the old fire pit over here. And we moved that really big giant one that we were trying to expose that was surrounded by the blackberry bushes. That was mostly underground. This thing is huge. Freaking huge and heavy. Like we can't even, that's probably staying there for a while until we can load it back up. But here's another view. This was the other stump that was moved. This one was by the fire pit. But here you go. Here's The view. I'm so excited. We're getting somewhere. We're talking about next time we're here. We're gonna be talking to an excavator people to get a cost estimate of a giant excavator that can take out all the stumps that are left, hopefully. And weatherproof the driveway and put rock down, like some fabric down, rock down. We can actually drive on the driveway and make it a little bit more cleared out because we need a weatherproof here. We're about to hit fall and we don't know how rainy it's gonna be. So we have to do that. So yeah, we're probably gonna get the same rock as we did for the Connex. And we're going to move it out to probably here.
Oh, sorry, I don't like bugs. Sorry, go away.
To like where this tree is, because this will be part of, in between here will be part of the driveway as well. So we eventually will do that, but we need to talk to the excavator, move a whole bunch of stumps that we have, and then rock, and then we're painting the Connex hopefully soon. Yeah, we'll see you later.